Hi everyone, I'm Shelby from the Ambassador team. Today I'm sharing 3 easy paper crafts from custom punch cards to a stunning paper bouquet. I've even included a free printable to make the process simple and stress-free. So let's get crafting and make this Mother's Day one she'll never forget. Let's get started with our supplies. We're going to want some craft paper to create the flower bouquet, some pastel paper. This one is perfect. It has a bunch of color options. Some collage paper pads. These are really helpful for the flowers. And for stickers, I really like the everyday theme kits. These are going to be perfect. I have some coupons, which I'll talk a little bit about later. We have calligraph brush pens, which are my absolute favorite, and some extra supplies like scissors, tape, and twine. A little reminder, you can use my code ShelbyOnPaper10 at checkout to save on some of these items, including this really helpful sticker binder, which I love. It's perfect for holding all of your stickers, including the everyday theme kits, which I'll be using for these DIYs. So these are really nice because they come loaded with different sticker sheets, collage papers, washi tape, and so much more. First up, we are making custom Mother's Day punch cards. Start by picking out some of those collage papers from the everyday kit and creating a small card shape. And a pro tip, if you have any of the legacy ink pads, they make the perfect stencil. I'm taking these cute little gold scissors and cutting out the shape, then sketching out a solid color in a fun wavy shape. Then from there, all you have to do is tape these together so you have a nice little spot to write on. So these are basically like loyalty cards for mom's favorite things. It's a way to help her track a goal, and once she hits it and get those punches, she gets a fun little reward. Using some sheets from our kit, I'm going to add some deco and of course spots to finish up the punch card. I'm using some stickers, but you can also add little circles, hearts, or even pieces of washi tape will work for this. Finally, I'm going in with some of those calligraph pens and writing in the different goals and rewards. So some of the examples I have are if you read 8 books, then your reward is a trip to the bookstore. If you try 10 new recipes, then you can get a new cookbook. Or even if you go on a number of runs, you can reward yourself with a new workout set. So I would just cater this to your mom and her hobbies and her likes. Next little gift idea are coupons. So I went ahead and made this step even easier for you, and I created this free printable filled with blank coupon templates. You can find the download in the full blog post located in the description. All you have to do is print a sheet, cut out the tickets, and you're already halfway there. I am grabbing some more collage papers, taping down the coupon on top, and cutting it around to make a fun little border. To finish it up, I'm going to write in different prompts like movie night, breakfast in bed, or 1 week of trash duty. These are really fun and they're looking so cute. For our final project, we are creating this stunning paper flower bouquet. To start, we're going to grab some craft paper and start folding the bottom up just a little bit and bring one corner across to the center and wrap the other side over it, adjusting until you have a nice wide opening at the top and a pointed bottom. You can secure the seam with some tape, and now we are ready to fill it up with flowers. So I'm grabbing those pastel pages as well as the collage paper pads and looking for colors that will be perfect for flowers, like these really pretty sunset pages in all sorts of different shades. I also picked out a few different shades of green paper as well. These will be used for the leaves. Now there's no need for perfect templates here. Just kind of freehand some organic floral shapes directly onto the paper using that calligraph pen. Think about different sizes, some large, open petals, and maybe some smaller buds. So just have fun with this, and remember, it really doesn't have to look perfect. This style really gives it a natural handmade look. These are looking so fun. I love all the different shades and varieties of flowers we have. And remember to use some of those green papers to draw out various leaf shapes or vines. The greenery is really what ties the whole look together, and I think it adds that fresh botanical feel. And once you've drawn a nice variety, go ahead and carefully cut out all your pieces. Now we're going to take all of our cutouts and start arranging them inside your paper cone. Layering is the key here to give it that full look, so try putting the larger flowers towards the back and tuck the smaller ones in the front. Use some tape to secure everything in place and make sure to leave a little spot to tuck in your punch cards and your coupons so they peek out. To complete this look, we're going to add that final gift wrapped detail. So I'm taking a long piece of twine, or you can use ribbon, and I'm just going to tie a classic bow around the bottom of the cone, snipping off some extra, and I think this just adds a nice little charming rustic touch. And you can secure this down with some tape as well, just to keep everything in place. Next, just grab your pen and write a simple Happy Mother's Day, or you could also write a poem, a letter, or a personalized message, whatever you really want, right on the front of the wrap. Finally, let's add a few more stickers from the kit to decorate. And there you have it. You have a personalized handmade bouquet that mom can keep on display forever, and it's the perfect centerpiece for all the love you've put into these gifts. I hope these 3 paper crafts gave you all the inspiration you need to make this Mother's Day extra special. Don't forget to head over to the blog post linked below to grab your free printable and see the full step-by-step guide. If you enjoyed crafting with me, please give this video a thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram at Shelby on Paper, and hit that subscribe button for the Archer and Olive channel for even more creative ideas.